Hello friends, our today's topic is matrix factorization, that is LU decomposition method. So here steps in LU decomposition method. What are the steps to find out LU decomposition? So first of all, write given system is in matrix form Ax equal to B. After that, reduce matrix A to row echelon form. Reduce only matrix A to row echelon form. But here is one more condition is that do not use row interchanges. Do not use row interchanges. And also here we have to focus or pay attention to the multipliers used to bring the leading ones and the multipliers used to bring zeros below the leading one. Suppose here is one matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have to convert, first of all we have to convert this A into row echelon form. So we get here 1, 0, 0, something value 1, 0 and 1. So we have to focus on the multipliers. This to making this 1, to making this 1 and to making this third leading entry also 1. Here is. And also we have to focus on the multipliers to bring zeros below the leading 1. So multipliers to bring 0 below the leading 1. Okay. And then in each position below the main diagonal of L. So after that we have to find form the matrix L. For that we use multipliers here. Okay. In each position along the diagonal of L, place the reciprocals of the multiplier that were used the leading one in the position in U. So here place the reciprocal of multipliers that we use here to make leading 1. And then next step, in each position below the main diagonal of L, below the main diagonal of L, place the negatives of the multipliers used to introduce zeros in that position in U. So make here, write down here negatives of the multipliers that used here to making that zeros. Okay. In this way we can form L matrix. After that, form the decomposition A equal to LU. So we get here L, also this reduced row echelon form is U. So in this way we can write A equal to LU. After we multiply L into U, we get here matrix A. Then write down this A equal to LU in your equation. So here Ax equal to B. So value of A is LU and write down X as it is equals to B. So we get here LUX equal to B. Then put UX equal to Y. So put UX equal to Y. What we get here? LY equals to B. Then solve this system for value of 1. Here we find the value of 1. Then after getting value of Y, put it in that. So UX equal to Y. We know value of U. Here we get value of U. Then we know value of Y. After solving this, then we have to find out value of X. This is our solution of given system. We can see this with one example. Here is an example. Find an LU decomposition of the coefficient matrix. Then use the method to solve the system. Here is system is given. So our system in which form? Ax equal to B. Ax equal to B. So first of all we have to consider matrix A. Then convert this matrix A into which form? Row echelon form. Okay. So first of all we convert this matrix A into row echelon form. Here your leading entry is 2. We have to make that as 1. So after dividing R2 by 2 we get here 1. So first of all divide this R1 by 2. So we are doing changes in R1, write down R2 and R3 as it is and just divide R1 by 2. So we get here 2 upon 2 is 1, then minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1, minus 2 upon 2 is again minus 1. So our leading entry is 1. Now we have to make below the leading entry all entries should be 0. So here it is already 0. So make this minus 1 as 0. So for making this minus 1 as 0, which row operation we use here? So R3, here minus sign to take negative of that. So R3 plus R1. So minus 1 plus 1 we get here 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we can see that first column is 1, 0, 0. Now we have to make that second leading entry should be 1. So for making that minus 2 as 1, we divide R2 by minus 2. So divide R2 by minus 2. We are doing changes in R2. So write down R1 and R3 as it is and just divide R2 by 2. So here 0 upon 2 is 0. Minus 2 upon minus 2 is 1. 2 upon minus 2 is minus 1. So our leading entry is 1. Now we have to make that 4 as 0. For making that 4 as 0, we use row operation R3 minus 4 R2. So here R1 and R2 write down as it is and do changes in R3. So 0 plus 0. So we get 0. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. And 1 minus plus 4. So it gives us 5. Okay. Then for row echelon form, we have to make that third leading entry should be 1. So for making that 5 as 1, we divide R3 by 5. So divide this R3 by 5, write down R1 and R2 as it is and just divide R3 by 5. So here 0 upon 5 is 0, 0 upon 5 is 0 and 5 upon 5 is 1. Okay. So we can see that here this matrix is in row echelon form. Leading entry is 1. For any two consecutive rows, leading entry of second row is leading right to the leading entry of first row and all 0 rows are at the bottom, but here no 0 row is present. So in this way we can reduce this matrix A into row echelon form, and this matrix we denote it as U, upper triangular matrix. So we get U. Now we have to form matrix L. For forming matrix L, we focus on the multipliers. So look at here. So for making that leading one, we use here multiplier 1 upon 2. Then for making this second leading element as 1, we use here multiplier minus 1 upon 2. And making third leading entry as 1, we use here multiplier 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5. In this way we get multipliers. So take reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. Minus 1 upon 2 is minus 2 and 1 upon 5 is 5. So that reciprocal put in the diagonal of n. So here we write 2 minus 2 and 5. Okay. Now next we have to focus the multipliers we use to make 0 below the leading 1. For this 0 we are not did any operation, so because it is already 0. So here we use multiplier 0. Then for making this minus 1 as 0, we use multiplier, look at here, multiplier is plus 1. And for making this 4, we use here multiplier minus 4. So here minus 4. Take negative of that multiplier. Negative of that multiplier. So it gives us 0, plus 1 negative of plus 1 is minus 1 and minus 4 negative of minus 4 is 4. So put that entries negatives below the our main diagonal. So here we put here 0, minus 1 and then 4. So in this way we can form the matrix L. So we get here L and U. After getting A equals to LU, our system is in the form of Ax equal to B. So put here value of A is LU, Ax equal to B. Then put Ux equal to Y. So we get here, after putting this Ux equal to Y, we get here L y equal to b. Then consider that system L y equals to b and solve for values of y. So we have L, also we have constant matrix B. It is given in example -4, -2 and 6. So put here value of L is, this matrix is L, then y is y1, y2 and y3. So it is equals to value of b. Now solve this for values of y. Okay. So it is in triangular form. Look at here, it is in triangular form. So by performing back substitution, here we get 2y1 equal to -4. So y1 equal to -2. For second row, -0y1 -2y2 plus 0y3 equal to -2. So -2y2 equal to -2. Therefore y2 equal to 1. And then perform back substitution in third row. So we get here -y1 plus 4y2 plus 5y3 equal to 6. So put here values of y1 and y2. So minus value of y1 is -2 plus 4 into value of y2 is 1 plus 5y3 equal to 6. So do that calculation, 2 plus 4 plus 5y3 equal to 6. So in this way we get here 5y3 equal to, so see this 6 minus 6 is 0. So 5y3 equal to 0, therefore y3 equal to 0. So in this way we can find out value of y. So after getting y, we have to put this y in this equation, ux equal to y. So put here ux equal to y. So we know value of x is xyz and value of y is -2, 1, 0. So solve this system for the value of x, that is x, y and z. So here it is also in triangular form, so perform back substitution. So by performing back substitution here we get z equal to 0. So z equal to 0. Then y minus z equal to 1. So y minus value of z is 0. So it is equals to 1. So we get here y equal to 1. And then perform back substitution in first row, we get here 1 into x is x minus y minus z equal to -2. So put here value of y and z, value of y is 1, value of z is 0. So it gives us x minus 1 minus 0 equal to -2. So we get here value of x is -1. So we get all values of variable x, y and z. So write it is in matrix form. So x equal to -1, 1 and 0. So we get all values of variable that solve our given system. So it is the required solution of given system. In this way we can find out the LU decomposition, solution of the LU decomposition method. Thank you.